Well, I'm doing the unboxing of Man on Fire on Blu-ray, Comic Con exclusive slipcover at Best Buy. Got this movie for $5.99. This is my favorite Denzel Washington movie. One of the great movies, one of the greatest movies of all time I ever watched as a kid. I always wanted to get it on Blu-ray. Now I'm going to show you how it looks. Take away the digital code. Nice artwork on the disc. The nice cover. Well, there you have it. That's all I want to show you. Hope you enjoyed this video, and comment anything, no matter how positive or negative, anything. And that'll be all, and have a good day, everyone.